Hi, Memorial Day is coming, and so I thought it would be fun to make a patriotic snack while we use the accent device with the Unity 84 sequence software to model language. So, Memorial Day is a holiday that we celebrate every May, and we celebrate this holiday to remember the soldiers or the people who fought for us and for our country. So we remember.
We remember the people who fought for us. We remember the people who fought for us.
We remember the people who fought for us. Memorial Day is a patriotic holiday, and so it's one that celebrates our country. And we can be patriotic by showing how much we love our country. So we can show how much we love our country.
We can show how much we love our country.
We can show how much we love our country. And so one of the ways that we can do that with this activity is we're going to pick some colors that represent our country. And our flag is red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue.
So we're going to make some patriotic fruit pizzas by using fruits that are red and blue and using some frosting that's white. So we'll have nice colorful fruit pizzas when we're finished. The recipe for these fruit pizzas will be on a link in the description beneath this video. So you can go ahead and grab that if you want to make this exact recipe. But the first thing that I had to do is make our pizza crust. So I had to make this.
I made
this, which looks like a little bit of a pizza crust.
I made this.
The rest of it we're going to do together. So I had to get some things. I had to get this big container of Marshmallow Fluff.
I had to get this.
To get this big container of Marshmallow Fluff, I had to get some cream cheese. So I had to get some of this.
I had to get some of this. I had to get this. I had to get some of this.
And then I had to get some red and blue fruits. So I got some blueberries and some strawberries. I got these.
I got these.
So we have our red strawberries, our blue blueberries, and we are going to mix these two white things together for the white part of our patriotic snack. So we need to mix these together.
We need to mix these together. We need to mix these together.
So I'm going to grab a mixer and a bowl. I'm going to put these cookies out of the way for a minute. I have a spatula and then I have a mixer as well. So we'll use the mixer to mix our cream cheese and our marshmallow fluff together. According to the recipe, you need 13 ounces of marshmallow fluff. I can only find the 16-ounce container of marshmallow fluff, so I'm not going to use all of it. I'm only going to use some of it.
I'm only using some. I'm only using some.
Okay, so let me put that in the bowl. Okay, so I put the fluff in the bowl and the cream cheese in is in the bowl, so now it's time to mix.
We are going to mix it together. We are going to mix it
We're going to
together.
mix it together. Okay, so we got it all mixed. I'm going to put this aside. Let me grab something to spread it with. Let me grab my cookies. Okay. So I'm going to take one cookie.
Take one.
And the first thing I'm going to do is put on some white frosting. That's one of our colors of our patriotic cookies.
Put on white. Put on white.
Put on white. And the great thing about the white frosting, it's going to be like a glue to hold our red and blue fruit pieces on. Go ahead and grab some and spread it on. This looks good.
Good.
I bet it's going to taste yummy.
This looks good.
This looks so good. Okay, so now we have our white on, and our other patriotic colors are our blue. So I'm going to put on some blueberries. So for this cookie, I am just going to put them all around.
I'm going to put them all around. I'm going to
Put them all around. Not going to have any real pattern or anything. And now it's time for some strawberries. When I was cutting the strawberries, I made some that were little.
Made some little strawberries. Made some little strawberries.
Made some little strawberries that I'm going to use on this cookie, and then I also made some that were long.
Made some long.
And I'll show you what we're going to do with those in a minute. For this one, I'm just going to grab some little strawberries and put them around the cookie or the pizza. I like a lot of strawberries. What do you think? I think this one's just kind of fun and colorful. And again, it's patriotic because we used the colors red, white, and blue.
And blue. Red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. Okay, I'm going to grab another one and put some frosting on.
Put some on. Put some on.
Okay, here's cookie number 2. I think I'll use the long pieces of strawberries for this cookie, so I will use the long ones.
I will use the long strawberry pieces. I will use the long strawberry pieces.
Because remember before I talked about our flag being red, white, and blue? Our flag has some long stripes on it. So I'm going to try to make a flag shape with this fruit pizza by putting the long strawberries on here. And then let's see if I have a little bit of a smaller one I could fit in. Let's see, maybe put that there. All right, put one more red stripe for our flag. And then up in the corner, we need to have some blueberries. What do you think? Do you think it looks like a flag?
Does it look
Let's see.
like a
Okay, so flag is under country and home
flag?
and flag. And so our flag has red stripes and it has blue up in the corner. So that's one of our patriotic cookies. Let's do one more. Okay. So we have one more. What should we do with this one?
What should we do? What should we do?
What should we do? What if we put blueberries on the outside? So we'll put blue on the outside.
Put blue on the outside.
We'll go around in a circle. And then let's put red on the inside.
Let's put red on the inside. Let's put red on the inside.
Put red on the inside. All right, and then finally let's put blue in the middle.
Let's put blue in the middle. Let's put blue in the middle.
I'm gonna look for a big one.
I'm going to look for a
big blueberry
blueberry. I'm going to look for a big blueberry
to put in the middle. All right, here we go. What do you think? Red, white, and blue, which are our patriotic colors as we celebrate our country. Again, the recipe to make these is linked in the description of this video. Hope you have fun.